What is up? We got another Waterford property right here. 134 North Josephine in Waterford. I'm gonna take you guys through. This one's a pretty quick and easy flip. This one seemed like it was a rental. Like not that much wrong with it. This is like paint and flooring and a kitchen. Not even touching the bathroom that much. It's pretty cool. So coming in here, I mean, they kind of painted already, but we're gonna do our gray that we always do. Here's the new floor. It's like a wood looking gray floor. These are the old doors. We're gonna replace those with some new ones. Those ones are a little beat up. Right now, swapping out these outlets with some new ones so they look a lot cleaner. Nice bright ones. Here in the bathroom, we're just gonna reglaze this tub. Probably switch out the fixtures. They already started painting. You can kind of see. The toilet was fine. The vanity was fine. The windows are good. There's probably like 5 windows we need to replace. And they're like in the basement. And then just put our LVP flooring here. More of this floor. So this floor is gonna go in the bedrooms, in the hallway, in the living room. So this is an 800 square foot house, 2 bed, 1 bath. But we're gonna do something special to this house to add some value. Look, this house already had these blinds. This is what we put in. So, more of the flooring. So here's what it's gonna look like. New switches, nice and fancy. So we bought this house last week on Thursday, so it's not even a week yet. And look at this, no kitchen anymore. So we're gonna put our white cabinets. We're gonna do granite in this house since it's not a lot of counter space. We can do granite in this neighborhood that we normally wouldn't, but we're gonna get away with it. So where the plumbing, where that saw is, that's where the sink goes. Where this comes out, this is the gas range. And then we're gonna have a divider right here. You kind of see this little mark. We're gonna have just a 9-inch cabinet. And then we're gonna put the fridge right there. So then you got a little dining space. So yeah, this is a 800 square foot house. So you got to be creative. Yeah, this floor is already here in the kitchen as well. So we didn't have to put this floor down, which is nice. Take you guys out to the backyard. The deck was painted. We just got to lift this deck up. It's kind of sagging a little bit. And we just got some stuff. So here's here's the old cabinets and some of the old doors. So yeah, nice little backyard. Now I'll take you guys downstairs. This is where we're gonna add value, because right now it's a 2 bed, 1 bath house, and we're gonna change this into a 3 bedroom house. So we're gonna add some LVP flooring right here, and we're gonna finish this room into a bedroom, and we got the egress window so we can count it. So now this turns it from a 800 square foot house, 2 bed, 1 bath, to almost like a 900 square foot house, 3 bed, 1 bath. So that's how we add value to these houses like this. So yeah, and then this is, the ceiling's already painted, the walls are already painted. We got some water issues to fix, replace these windows. But yeah, so nice cute little Waterford flip. Want to keep this short. This one will be done in like 2 weeks. I love these little houses where it's just paint and flooring. So yeah, I'll keep you up to date. We're actually buying a Kego Harbor house next week. Same thing, kind of 2 bed, 1 bath, 800 square foot, but it's in Kego Harbor with West Bloomfield schools. So that's a nice area. So I'll see you guys soon.